ஹலோ எவ்ரிவன், ஹவ் ஆர் யூ ஆல்? திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, எந்நாட்டவருக்கும் இறைவா போற்றி. டுடே we are going to continue Nayanmar episode 17, Appar Swamigal part 14. Where did we leave Appar Swamigal last week? Both Appar Swamigal and Tirunஞான சம்பந்தர் were in Vedaranyam, alias Thirumarai-Kadu. Accepting the request of Madurai Queen Mangirkarasi, Tirunஞான சம்பந்தர் set his journey to Madurai. Though worried, Appar Swamigal could not stop him. After his departure, Appar stayed there for some more days and started his yatra. He again went to Thiruvidimidalai and Thiruvavadurai and worshipped. Then he reached Padayarai Vadadali. In part 13, we learnt about the first song in the Padigam sung in this temple, but we didn't know about an event that happened there. Now let's look at it. The temple itself was not found. When Appar Swamigal went near it, he was shocked to learn that a Jain monastery had been built to hide the temple and that the Jains had hidden the Lord somewhere. He stubbornly sat there, saying he would not leave until he saw and worshipped God. He started fasting. People like Appar Swamigal are very determined. Will God tolerate this act of his devotee, that too fasting? That night, God appeared in the king's dream, explained the situation of the Appar Swamigal and the temple, and told him to take an action on this immediately. Actually, it was the king's fault. The king must know what is happening in his country. The king did not know that the temple had been converted into Jain monastery or hidden by them, and Appar Swamigal was fasting. Immediately, the king, along with his ministers, arrived at the place and met Appar Swamigal and removed and repaired the obstacle that were preventing the devotees from entering the temple. Then he went inside, took out the idol that the Jains had hidden, placed back in the original place, bowed down to Appar Swamigal and received his blessings. Then worshipped God Dharmapureeswarar and goddess Vimalanayaki. Why does God have to play this drama? Couldn't he have stopped those Jains in the very first place? That too in a Shiva temple? First, to make the king realize his mistake, the king must be aware of everything that is happening in the kingdom. Second, to show how far the atrocities of the Jains will go. Third, is to proclaim to the world the glory of Appar Swamigal, his devotion to him despite his age and his determination. Fourthly, to convey that God will not tolerate his devotees' suffering. Now, happily, Appar Swamigal worshipped God and sang one Padigam. Let's listen to that once again. தலையெல்லாம் பறிக்கும் சமன் கையருள் நிலையினால் மறைத்தால் மறைக்க ஒண்ணுமே அலையின் ஆர் பொழில் ஆரை வடதளி நிலையினான் அடியே நினைந்து ஒய்மினே. Then from there he proceeded to Thiruvaanaikka. Today the name of the temple is Thiruvaanaikkaval. God Jambukeswarar, நீள் திரள் நாதர், goddess Agilandeshwari, Agilandanayaki. We generally call the temple Thiruvaanaikkaval Agilandeshwari temple. As I said, some temples are referred with goddess name. Here, this is one of the 5 Panchabhuta Sthalams. This temple represents water, that is Appu. And God here is called as Appu Lingam. Here he sang 3 Padigams, that is 30 songs. Let's listen to one song. கோனை காவி குளிர்ந்த மனத்தராய் தேனை காவி உண்ணார் சிலர் தென்னர்கள் ஆனை காவில் எம்மானை அணைகிலார் ஊனை காவி உடிதர்வர் ஊமரே. This temple also a very ancient temple. There's a lot of things to know about this temple. Let's see it when it comes to the temple's row. Then he proceeded to Thiruverumbur. This is called as Thiruverumbiyur or Thiru Erumbiyur, but nowadays it is known as Thiruverumbur, southern bank of river Kaveri. God Erumbiswarar Pipilikeswarar, goddess Narungkudal Nayagi Saundra Nayagi. He sang 2 padigam, that is 20 songs. விரும்பி ஊறு விடேல் மடநெஞ்சமே கரும்பின் ஊரல் கண்டாய் கலந்தார்க்கு அவன் இரும்பின் ஊரல் அறாதது ஓர் வெண்தலை எறும்பியூர் மலையான் எங்கள் ஈசனே. The next temple, Sirapalli, which is known as Tiruchirappalli. The temple name is Thayumanavar temple or Matrubudeswarar temple. God Thayumaneshwarar or Thayumanavar. Goddess Mattuvar Kudali, Sukanta Kundalambigai. The temple is situated midway up the rock fort in Tiruchirappalli. He sang 1 padigam, that is 10 songs. Mattuvar Kudalalodu Mal Vidai Ittama Ugandu Erum Irevanar கட்டு நீத்தவருக்கு இன்னருளே செய்யும் சிட்டர் போலும் சிராப்பள்ளி செல்வரே. Then, now he went to Thirukarkudi. Now it is known as Uyakkondan Thirumalai, a temple built on a small hill 50 feet high. God Ujjivananadar, Ujjivaneswarar, goddess Anjanakshi, Balambigai. He sang 10 songs, that is 1 padigam. மூத்தவனை வானவர்க்கு மூவாமேனி முதலவனை திரு அறையில் முக்கப்பாம்பொன்று ஆர்த்தவனை அக்கு அரவம் ஆரமாக அணிந்தவனை பணிந்து அடியாரடைந்த அன்பொடு ஏத்தவனை இருவரையில் தேனை ஏனோர்க்கு இனமுதமளித்தவனை இடரையெல்லாம் காத்தவனை கற்குடியில் விழுமியானை கற்பகத்தை கண்ணார கண்டேன் நானே. The next temple, Tiruparaithurai. The temple name Parathurai Nadar temple or Tharugavaneswarar temple. God Paraithurai Nadar, Tharugavaneswarar. Goddess Pasum Pon Mailambigai, Hema Varnambigai. He sang 10 songs, that is 1 padigam. கரப்பர் காலமடைந்தவர் தன்வினை சிற்கும் ஆறுவல்லார் கங்கை செஞ்சடை பரப்பு நீர் வரு காவிரி தென்கரை திரு பராய்த்துறை மேவிய செல்வரே. Then from there he was walking towards Tirupangili. The other name of this temple, Tirupanjili. Neeli means, in Tamil it is known as Kalvadai Maram. This is nothing to do with the banana tree. This is known as Cana lily. The temple's Thala Vriksham, that is the temple's tree is Neeli. That is why the name of the temple is called as Tirupaingili. God Neelivaneswarar, Tirunilaganteswarar, goddess Visalakshi. Due to his old age and the many days continuous walking on pilgrimage, Appar Swamigal was very tired and exhausted from hunger and thirst. However, with his courage, chanting name of God, he slowly walked, wearily crawling. Will God tolerate the fatigue of a devotee? God created a cool oasis and a spring in it on the way to the temple. Beside that, he was waiting for Appar Swamigal in the guise of a Brahmin with food. That is, Podi Choru. In Tamil we say it, it's a beautiful word. In olden days, they used to carry and go from place to place. The podichoru is a traditional food parcel wrapped in a banana leaf containing a rice with various side dishes. Appar Swamigal also arrived there shortly. Seeing the water, he washed himself and drank water and sat under a tree. By this time, the Brahmin offered him food. Offering food was a very normal thing those days. With joy, Appar had his food and took rest. Then the two started talking. The Brahmin asked Appar, "Where are you going?" Appar answered, "I am going to this Tirupangili temple." "Oh, then we can go together. I am also going there only," the Brahmin said. Happily both started walking. They reached the temple. The Brahmin entered the sanctum sanctorum and disappeared. Now Appar Swamigal realized who that Brahmin was. Imagine how he would have felt, both happy and sad. Why happy? Because God guided him, gave him food, everything. Sad because he could not recognize him as God. With great gratitude and devotion, he sang one padigam, that is 10 songs. Let us hear one song. உடையர் கோவணம் ஒன்றும் குறைவிலர், படைகள் பாரிடம் சூழ்ந்த பைங்கீலியார், சடையில் கங்கை தரித்து சதுரரை அடைய வல்லவர்க்கு இல்லை அவலமே. Then he reached next Tiruvannamala. Tiruvannamala, it's a very important temple of Tamil Nadu. We will see in detail in the next episode. Until then, take care. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.